we have Aruna, for the first time I'm meeting Aruna here. I have never seen for the last time.
எல்லாரும் நல்லா கவனிங்க. கடைசில क्वेश्चन கேட்போம்.
பிரைஸ் உண்டா மேம்? பிரைஸ்
And one thing we left out, okay. Next is Pankajam. And anybody don't know Pankajam? Pankajam is the first doctor in our family. She's a radiologist. Today she is right? And next is we have three sons for them. You know, that is 4 sons. Unfortunately, we don't have 3 of them, but we have the last son, Natajan. Okay, so he is here. He lives in Hyderabad, spends time with all of his people, right? Now, next is we left out. We left Joka Altai, right? The biggest fun in our family is Joka Altai. You know, that is the name. Joka Altai, Joka Altai, Joka Altai. It is a fun for everybody. Yogambal. Yogambal, where is Joka? 2 sons, Yogambal, Joka Altai. That Athiver is not anymore, Joka Altai is not anymore. 2 sons, Ranganathan, and Raju. Next, chemical.
Varadarajan.
Okay. So next, we'll go fast because look at the very quick. And we have Ranganathan's son, Chandrasekhar.
Ranganoda.
Then we got Rajwatan. Not here. Okay. Next is Ayasani, right? Next is Ayasani Peripa, right? Ayasani Peripa is not there. Son is Chandrasekhar and wife is Gokula.
wife
Daughter Gokula.
My brother is a Nana Nani Pandu.
அவங்க ஹஸ்பண்ட்
Okay, here's all the family. Okay, next we'll go on to the next one. Bank of Vijay Lakshmi is wife. We also drank last church for a very long time. Vijay Lakshmi. Okay. Now next Ayasami is we have a Sona, right? Who is my
ಫಾದರ್
Ramachandran, Chandran meaning don't know it again. One more time for அடுத்தது வந்து குஞ்சிதபாதம் ஐயர். He is formally called as Sona, right? Eldest daughter Vasanti, she is expected to be here. Very good. Okay. Just right on time. We'll take it. One more picture. Get there. Oh, so also pass. She's coming. Prashant. Okay. Now, other character, Sonaliya. Next is Nagarajan. Let me come. Nagarajan, Raju in Nanganallu. Okay, Raju in Nanganallu. Okay. Wife? Bhagwati? No more, unfortunately. Daughter is Jayalakshmi. She is here, Jayalakshmi. She is in Ulagaram. Okay. And the husband is Lakshman. You must be here. You know, they have taken pictures. And one son, Advait. Okay. Come. Auntie, where is Vasanti? Come. Is she here? Okay. So this is Vasanti, Sona's eldest daughter. Okay, eldest daughter. She is grandma of Balki. Next junior Balakrishnan, doctor in Bangalore, right? Okay. Let's go quick. Okay. Let's do it quickly and you can see after then you will introduce. Okay. Vasanti has 3 sons. One daughter was anymore. The eldest son is Setu, wife Shanti, son Rishabh. Setu was in Dubai for more than 30 years. He just recently came back and settled here. He came here and settled for good. Second son, Ramesh. Ramanan is like in our family, like Ramani. Correct. Ramanan is one of the top 10 glass specialists in the world. Ramanan is one of the top 10 glass specialists in the world. And he is the, I don't know what is his title, he is the group general manager, installing glass plants all over the world. Right now he is managing more than 12 glass plants all over the world. Okay? Yes, exactly. He has one son, one daughter. Daughter is Sindhuja, product of Jipmer, next to Ramani. Pankajni, he is a super speciality doctor, super specialty, more than MD.
In cancer.
Oncology, cancer. He just got a job in All India Institute of Medical Sciences. Okay, in North. After this meeting, they are flying there. Okay. Son is Balakrishnan. He is also a doctor. Vasanti family is filled with full of doctors. Everybody is doctor.
Wife.
Okay.
Chittappa. Chittappa.
Okay. Yeah. Next is okay. Ramanan's wife is Gauri. She is the one who is powering Ramanan. You all can think of. Okay. So this is the first love marriage in our family. Biggest love marriage. Ramesh and myself was working in Ashok Leyland. I am his uncle. I know. I will tell you. I was his uncle. I was not married. Before I got married, Ramesh got married. Everybody was asking me. So, that is okay. Okay, next come go quick. Vasu. Right, where is Vasu? He is Vasu. Srinivasan. And Srinivasan, wife Radha. And anything you want in Pondicherry, right? He is the personal secretary to 3 IAS officers. He is the personal secretary to IAS officers. 3 IAS officers. He has connection to Union Job. He speaks to Home Ministry every week. Such a big shot. Union Territory, right? And he has one son. Prashant. He is a doctor. He is doing his MD in Japan. Okay? Okay. And then I told Nagarajan, next is Shekhar, Radha. Okay? She is a teacher. Right? One of the teacher. Again, the power in mission. Okay. Our quick Arjun Shekhar, 2 daughters. Then Shekhar is there. Okay, let's go quick. Anuja, this way. We don't have sufficient information, right? Next is the Banu, my sister. She is here. Husband is Kalyan Raman. And I'm not sure he was expected here. His daughter, Madhu, she's a music teacher. Carnatic music teacher. Okay, anybody want that you can bring up here. Next is Mani, myself. Okay. So is Kalyan Raman, Banu's husband, right? You know that is his pediatric disability, right? So next is myself, wife Shanta. Where is she? So you can see somebody is taking a selfie picture somewhere, every car there, you know, it is going to be that person. Okay? Yeah. So this is Shanta, you know, she is the one who keeps me under control myself. Okay. I have two sons, both of them are not here. We are in US for the last 30 plus years. I work in Ashok Leyland for more than 15 years. Me, Chandrasekhar and Raghu, we were Ashok Leyland. In addition to that, he and me worked in Muscat together for the same company for about 3 years. Very close association, right? So next is Uma, and where is Uma? Yeah, she is here. And husband Narayanan, and they live in Murigonda, near Tiruvaru. Okay, ನಮ್ಮ ಮಣ್ಣ ಎಷ್ಟೇ ತಮ್ಮದಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಲ್ಲ, she is living that life. Tiruvaru and all that, lots of famous activities around us. She is the one. Son is Vignesh, and he is working for TCS. I don't know what. Yeah. Okay, so that is the YSR family. Yeah. Next comes YS Krishnamurti, right? YS Krishnamurti's eldest daughter is Mala. We will compare Mala and Ramakrishnan. 2 daughters.
3 daughters.
Wonderful. The way you brought up the 2 daughters, both of them. I'm talking about Mala's daughters. Okay, Mala has 2 daughters. They grew up Trivandrum. Both studied, got a merit scholarship. Both studied in Singapore. Top-notch academic. Next, like classes coming is like funding. You can just pick it up. Singapore, awesome kids. You know, both of them are captain. We are certainly in a very good position. Next is Bhuvana. Unfortunately, we lost Bhuvana.
Uncle, எங்க இருக்காங்களே?
Sorry, Chitra, right? And she has 2 sons, daughters, and 1 son. Okay, and
Only 2 daughters.
yeah, 2 daughters, one daughter and 2 sons. 1 daughter and 2 sons. Both sons are in US, right? Daughter is here. She's an industrialist. Okay, let's move on. Next is Bhuvana. Bhuvana தெரியாதவங்க இருக்க முடியாது. Okay, she's in Mathuri. Suresh.